Hey guys, today I will show you how to delete Instagram account permanently. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So first, let's open Instagram. Then go to the bottom right corner and click on your profile picture. Then go to the top right corner and click on this 3 dashes. Then click on Account Center. Now scroll down and click on Personal Details. Then click on Account Ownership and Control. Click on Deactivation or Deletion. Then choose our Instagram account. Then make sure this check mark is on Delete Account. Then click on Continue. Then click on one of these reasons and click on Continue. Again, click on Continue. Then you must have to insert your password in order to delete IG account. Then all you have to do is click on Continue. Remember, you'll have 30 days to change your mind after that. Your account will be permanently deleted, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete your Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.